Good day, guys. Today, I want us to learn dimensional analysis on physics. It is a very important topic on physics that we have to learn because it helps us to know whether equation is dimensionally correct or not, and also to derive a relationship between physical quantities, and also to derive a unit for physical quantities. So today I want us to look at that dimension. We have three physical quantities that are very important when we are talking about dimension. These are the mass, we have the mass, we have the length, we have the time. These three physical quantities, they are very important in dimensional analysis. This mass now is denoted as what, capital M, when we are talking about dimension. This length is denoted as what, capital L, while this one is capital T. And then we use this symbol, square brackets, to represent what, dimension, square bracket. So we use a square bracket to represent what, dimension. For example, if I want you to find the dimension for mass, you are going to say dimension for mass is what, square, then capital M. So this means dimension for what, mass. The same thing with L. If I ask you to find the dimension for length, you are going to write it this way. With the square bracket, you put the L inside and this. So we use this symbol, square bracket, to represent what, dimension, whenever we are talking about dimensional analysis. So I'm going to show you how to find dimension of velocity and acceleration and other physical quantities. But before you can do that, you have to know the formula for finding what, or for calculating for velocity and also for acceleration. This is going to help you. So I will advise you, if you don't know some formulas in physics, I will advise you to go and learn some of these formula, because you cannot derive a given unit or a given dimension for a physical quantities without knowing the formula. Because when you know the formula, it's going to be very simple for you to derive the dimension for that physical quantity.